foodies, we're in step 2 now. And what I've done is I've rolled out, make sure it's defrosted, okay? And then roll out your puff pastry because we're making what? Apple strudel. Okay, so what I've done is I've rolled the puff pastry out and I'm gonna put it down here. And I've rolled it out to the approximate size of about 16 inches this way and 12 this way. So 12 by 16. And what we're going to do is turn it on its side like this. And make sure you have flour on the bottom. There's some flour here on the bottom. Because what we're going to do is take our filling right here that we made in step 1. Here's our filling. And we're going to take this and we're going to roll it right up, and then we are going to go into our preheated oven at 375. I have parchment paper on my baking sheet, and I also have, after we get it rolled up, we're going to make some slits in the top so it don't explode, right? And I've got some egg wash over here. Okay, so this is really quite simple. So what we're going to do is come up from the bottom about to here, and we're going to put our pie filling here, right in it. And remember what I put here? I put some sultana or some golden raisins. I've got a can of the apple filling. I have got about a half cup of chopped walnuts, some cinnamon, some apple pie spice, right? Okay, I've got some cloves. And this is a low sugar pie filling, which you buy and you go down the section in the baking department of the store, and you'll find that there. All right, so this should be just enough. Oh, you guys should smell this. It's just great. And we're gonna get this right in here. Just let it come a little bit this way. And the reason I'm doing this about leaving about a third of this bottom here like this is so I can roll it over and fold it under. I don't want to have it ooze out, right? Okay, so all we're going to do is pick up our end, come over here like this, and then just start to roll him up. We're gonna roll him up just like this. Roll him up with your fingers. There we go. We're rolling, 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 rolling. La da 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 da, right. So there, we've got it rolled up. And what we're gonna do is take him. You see my board was floured, okay? And then what we're gonna do, we can fold it now, fold it up, or you can reopen it like this a little bit and pull your ends in like this. I'm gonna pull them in like this, just like this, and then roll it the rest of the way. There we go. So our ends are rolled in, and then I'm gonna take this piece and we're just gonna pull him like this. And then what I wanna do, I'm gonna get this pan right here, is I'm gonna take him just like this, and we'll see if we can't roll him right onto the pan like this. There, okay, there we go. So we got our ends tucked in, we've got him rolled on the pan, and he's on the pan, all flour and all, it's perfectly fine. And then what I'm going to do, I've got egg wash, 1 egg beaten lightly, and about a tablespoon of water. So let's get the egg wash on our apple strudel. Just like this. And what happens is, this egg wash will make it just absolutely golden brown, because you know that's what you want to do. You want to bake this in the oven till it's golden brown. Okay, we just get some egg wash on here. It's okay if some falls, don't worry about it. All right, we got it there, and there we go. There we go. Okay. And then what I'm going to do before I slit it, Anthony will keep the camera over there, is I'm going to get some sugar. All right, now I have raw sugar here, but you could use whatever you like. I'm going to use raw sugar. And I'm just going to take...
Can you put cinnamon with that? Or?
You could put cinnamon on top of it too. Maybe we will. And so we get some raw sugar right across the top here like this. Just like this.
Oh yeah, with the little cinnamon I could put.
Everybody, you do your own touches. You know, everybody does
that looks lovely.
Fun touches. And then I'm going to, Anthony's requested some cinnamon, so we're going to take and put some cinnamon right here, right across the top. We'll just shake it right on, just like this. There we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my little paring knife, okay everybody? And I'm gonna come this way with it and just cut this way, cut this way, cut this way, cut this way, and cut this way. Okay, there we go. And this way, and this way, and this way, and this way. So we will not explode, right? Okay, and that's all there is to it. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 375 for about, until it's golden brown, and there we have it there. Probably about, I don't know, maybe about 25 to 35 minutes and it's golden brown, okay? About 20 minutes. Afterwards, you will let it cool on your rack, okay? So there we have it. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put him in our little oven over here. Make sure I'm set on my time. And I'm gonna watch it till it's golden brown. And in it goes. And that will be our apple strudel today for you. So this is Peter Carpizos. It's holiday time. Make different desserts. Do them at home. They're cheaper that way. This is Pete out.